So now today uh, we are to learn about rest part of the noun clause. Earlier we studied about the clause, types of clause, and some part of the noun clause. Is it right? Like that, subject of the verb and object of the verb. So now the next is the subject complement, right? We will discuss and we will learn, how noun clause work as a subject complement with the help of the examples, right? A noun clause can also serve as a subject complement, right? A subject complement modifies, describes, or completes the subject of a clause. Subject complement are also called predicate nominative or predicate nouns or predicate nouns. Examples. Carly's problem was that she did not practice enough, right? Yeah. Charlie's problem was that she did not practice enough, right? In this way, Harry's crowning achievement at school was when he became class president, right? Darla's excuse for being late was that she forget to set her alarms. So basically in the sentence, suppose that I say Charlie's problem was her sister, like that. So in this way वो जो सब्जेक्ट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है हर सिस्टर। यहाँ पर क्या है कि नाउन क्लॉज जो जो आपकी कार्लीस प्रॉब्लम है सब्जेक्ट का ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट है। जैसे हम कहते हैं अकबर वाज ए किंग, तो जो किंग है वो आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, राइट? इन दिस वे noun clause also work as subject complement. There are some more example. I am what you made me. I am what you made me. मैं हूँ जो तुमने मुझे बनाया. So by going through all these types of examples and structures, actually we start to inculcate a different type of new structure of the sentence, and after some times this we start to write, we start to use these type of sentences in our writing and in our speaking, right? It seems that he will stand first. Very simple sentences, ऐसा लगता है कि फर्स्ट आएगा द रिजल्ट्स आर वॉट वी एक्सपेक्टेड। जो रिजल्ट्स हैं जैसे कि जो आए हैं परिणाम वो हमारे एज पर एक्सपेक्टेशन हैं जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट किए थे, राइट? इस तरीके से हमने स्टार्ट किया noun clause as a subject complement. Okay, there are many other examples. My belief is that he will not come, right? These complements are after auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, were, is, was, like that. This is where I live. ये वह जगह, ये वह है जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ. My friend is that he is guilty, right? Now we will study noun clause as an object of a preposition. Noun clause as an object of a prepositions, right? Noun clauses also act as an object of a preposition in prepositional phrases. In the examples below, you will see the preposition of and for in action and some others. Okay, there are some examples. Harry is not the best provider of what Margie needs. So this what marginates, this is a clause and this is a object of preposition of, right? Josephine is not responsible for what Alec decided to do. So this part is the object of these prepositions. Ali's research report is about how Marie Curie discovered about is a preposition here. In this way, we need to use different type of structures, right, in combining the sentences and in transforming the sentences and in our writing, okay, in our speaking. Listen to what your teacher says. सुनिए जो तुम्हारे टीचर कहते हैं, right? अपनी टीचर की सुनिए. There is no truth in what he says. जो वो वह कहता है उसमें कोई सच्चाई नहीं है. Your future depends on how you work. आपका फ्यूचर डिपेंड करता है आप कैसे वर्क करते हैं. In this way, this is a preposition on, this is a preposition in, this is a preposition to. So this clause, noun clause, is the object of preposition. I cannot believe in what he says, right? In this way, you all have gone through a large number of examples, right? The next is an apposition to a noun or pronoun. जो आपका नाउन क्लॉज है वो नाउन या प्रोनाउन के अपोजिशन में है. एग्जाम्पल्स, द रिपोर्ट दैट ही हैज़ फेल्ड. अगर हम सपोज करें इसको हम यहाँ से ब्रैकेट में कर दें तो द रिपोर्ट इज फॉल्स. तो जो ये दैट ही हैज़ फेल्ड, राइट, ये स्ट्रक्चर जो रिपोर्ट है इसके अपोजिशन में है. अपोजिशन नहीं, अपोजिशन, राइट, रिपोर्ट, राइट. द फैक्ट, अब ये पार्ट है, द फैक्ट ही इज़ गिल्टी. द फैक्ट, तो फैक्ट जो ही इज़ गिल्टी है वो जो फैक्ट जो नाउन है इसके अपोजिशन में है. अगर इसको हम ब्रैकेट में भी करें, द फैक्ट गिव्स मी मच पेन. तो ये फैक्ट क्या है? दैट ही इज़ गिल्टी. रिपोर्ट क्या है? दैट ही हैज़ फेल्ड, राइट. सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स. यू मस्ट नेवर फॉरगेट दिस, दैट ऑनेस्ट इज़ द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. You must never forget this, right? प्रोनाउन है, राइट. यहाँ पर ये honesty is the best policy इसके लिए आया हुआ है, right? I don't believe in the principle. Principle is a noun here. That might is right. I was shocked at the news that he had an accident. So this part is in opposition with the news, right? In this way, today we have learnt many examples, right? There is a belief that serpent is God. Belief is a noun here, abstract noun. Serpent is opposition with belief. The decision that you will give up smoking is wise. The decision is wise, right? In opposition with decision is a noun here, right? So in this way, today we have learnt a lot about a noun clause.